Now, next up here is going to be with M1 Finance. This is personally one of my favorites. This one is going to be ideal for long-term and dividend investors like myself. This is also going to allow you to create custom ETFs so you can put different stocks into a little pie and be able to set things up for yourself. You can also do fractional shares, again, investing in small dollar amounts. And you can also do auto investing. It's great for setting and forgetting. So you can put everything in one place. You can set up everything how you want it to be with percentages for each stock or ETF and kind of let it work on its own and take care of it for you. They also have a dividend reinvesting made easy. This is also in that same space of allowing everything to kind of come in, whether it's earn dividends or deposits, and have that money flow back into your investments as quickly as possible. Now, they do also have M1 Borrow, which is effectively allowing you to utilize your portfolio as collateral to borrow money outside of the actual investment. So if you need to pull money out to pay down some debts or utilize it for an investment outside of M1 Finance, you can actually do that with M1 Borrow. Now, with M1 Finance, you can actually get up to a $100 bonus for utilizing our link in the show notes down below. Now, next up here is going to be with Stash. Now, Stash also has a 0 account minimum. They also do allow for fractional shares. They have that really great roundup feature that allows that money extra to come in and deposit into small dollar amounts. And you can also see they do have a stock back card, which effectively is allowing you to utilize their card to be able to spend money and actually earn stocks back based off of where you spend your money. You can actually invest accounts up to 2 kids with their Stash Plus feature. So if you want to go ahead and have a custodial account, this will actually allow you to do so, again, with up to 2 kids. And the fees for this are going to be anywhere from $3 to $9 per month. If you want to do the custodial accounts, it will be that $9 per month.